In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table in Google Forms in just 5 minutes. It's a straightforward process and I'll guide you step by step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of each part. First, you'll want to head over to Google Drive. You can easily find this by typing Google Drive into your browser. Once you're in, look for the New button on the left-hand side. Give it a click and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll select Google Forms. This will take you into the Google Forms interface where you'll need to select Blank Form to start fresh. This blank form is your canvas, so to speak. Now it's time to name your form. At the top of the page, you'll see a spot to type in the name of your new form. Consider something relevant to the information your form will gather, as this will help you keep organized, especially if you have multiple forms. After naming it, you can begin adding questions. Simply click on the Add Question button to start. Here, you can decide on the type of responses you'd like. Depending on the information you're seeking, options could include multiple choice or short answer. Choose a response type that best suits your needs. Next, open up a Google spreadsheet. Here's where we'll create the table we want to add to our form. Design your table in the spreadsheet, and once you're satisfied with it, use a tool like Snipping Tool or Screenshot to cut or snip the table and save it to your computer. Ensure the image is saved in an easily accessible location. After your table is saved, navigate back to your Google form. We're now ready to insert the table image. Click on the Add Image button within your form. This brings up options to upload an image, so click on Upload and then on Browse to select the right file from your computer. Choose the image of your table and upload it. After your image uploads, there might be a need to align it. Click the three dots next to your image options and choose Center Align or any other alignment preference that suits your form design. Once you have the table aligned to your liking, the final step is to publish your form. Look for the Publish button and click it to make your form live. This allows others to access and respond to your form. And that's it, you've successfully integrated a table into your Google form. Keep this process in mind whenever you need to add images or tables to a Google form in the future. Thanks for watching and happy form creating.